Like to earn more money, be more successful in business, and build your business in 2020? Well, I'm doing just that. I'm Anita Leo, and in 2020, I'm going to share with you how I build my business, earn more money by building my personal brand. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I do and the successful way to build your business by building your personal brand. I have a goal to grow my personal brand to enable me to reach more people, and I'm going to show you and other business owners like you exactly how to do it. So if you'd like to learn exactly what works and implement it yourself, then join me, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, because every week I'll be uploading a video of exactly what I've achieved, the steps that I've taken throughout that week, and also I'll be showing you what didn't work. I'll be also interviewing industry experts, doing Q&As in order to fast track your learning and show you exactly how to build your business and how to be more successful in business by growing your personal brand. If you're like me, you've seen other people who aren't necessarily better in business, but they've become wildly successful simply by putting their name out there, by taking the effort to put their name out there, their brand out there, grow their personal profile to get more organic traffic into their business and more clients naturally into their business without shoving Facebook ads down their throats. So that's what I want to achieve in 2020 for you and also for myself. So if that's something that's of interest to you, then join me. Comment down below exactly what you'd like to achieve in your business in 2020. And number two, tell me exactly what's your greatest hurdle in 2020. And if it's a good question or a good comment, I might include it in one of my weekly videos and I'll answer your question.